Hi, and welcome to Lavon's Kitchen. Today we are in the kitchen making baked beans with ground beef and Polish sausage. You guys sit back, relax while I get everything ready and you know what I need you to do in the meantime. That's right, hit that subscribe button and I'll be back. So the first thing we're going to do is slice our sausage. I have some smoked sausage here. You can use kielbasa or any type of sausage you like. Some people prefer andouille. I happen to like smoked sausage. So we're going to slice up our smoked sausage and then I'm going to put it into a glass casserole dish. Then I have some frozen peppers that I have. There's onions and peppers in there. I'm going to add those on top and then add me some olive oil. Then we're going to season it with some garlic powder. Next, we're going to add some onion powder. And then, you know me, I like to add my black pepper. I'm going to put a little salt in there as well, but you know me, I like a lot of black pepper. You don't have to use that much, but season to your liking. After mixing it thoroughly, I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil, put it in the oven on 425 degrees and bake it for 1/2 hour. I just wanted to release some of the flavors in there for now. And then we're going to go ahead and start our ground beef. So while that's cooking, I'm browning my ground beef. Remember, there's 2 meats, and of course, ground beef is one. And we seasoned that meat, so we got to season this one. I'm using the exact same seasonings: the black pepper, the garlic powder, the onion powder, and a little bit of salt. Once our ground beef is brown, I'm going to just sit that to the side until my sausages are ready. Now that my sausages are ready, it's time to add the ground beef to the sausages. Then we're going to take our beans and add our beans. We're going to put a little mustard. To that, we're going to add some brown sugar, just for a little bit of sweetness. And let's mix it all up. Now to this, add your favorite barbecue sauce. Now we're going to cover it up and bake it again for another 1/2 hour. And it's ready. Look at this, hot, bubbly. Oh my God, if you could smell it right now. Look at this, it's thickened up. Just look at it. I don't know about you guys, but I am hungry. This is looking good. It's smelling amazing. So I'm going to have to get out of here so that I can make me a plate and eat my dinner. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can see more videos like this. And guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.